Okay, so I'm working on this 80 project with Simon and Leon being the clients. I just found out that they are leaving for 2 months in the beginning of my design process.
Kristiina has been just super fantastic. We couldn't ask for a better designer to help us with, with the house design.
So my idea is actually, getting to them to pick big item materials such as kitchens, tiles, color schemes, and concepts before they take off, so that we can accommodate their meetings on Zoom going forward for the next 2 months, and also having the time difference of 12 hours. But I'm confident we can make this happen, and it'll be a wonderful project.
We have a very difficult problem, which is that we can't move the location because my father said this is the legacy house, and we want to pass that on to the from generation to generation. So, but like I said, things that inside are dated, to say the least. So it's actually pretty difficult to not sort of change everything, right? But then we also can't change just a little. It just doesn't work.
I researched a bunch, actually, probably more than 15 companies. We got down to 3, and then we invited 3 builders to come in and actually, to our home, gave us, some inputs, and Andre was one of these 3 companies. I still remember that day, actually. It's been months now, but I still remember that day. He spent, a little more than 2 hours, actually. And we talked about a lot of different things, right? Gave us some great ideas. Some are actually very good design ideas to make the house more practical for us. Also, he explained the process of how Sosna actually works with their clients in terms of renovation. So I really like the detailed process, and also the approach of having a final price. I think that's a very practical way of doing things, and it also gives us the peace of mind, right, when we come to that point.
We certainly expect the best workmanship and craftsmanship. So the process that we've worked with so far, not just with Kristiina, but also with Dante, with Roman, and right with the rest of the crew, has been very collaborative, right, in terms of helping us make sure that we have options to consider, that we can make things fit back into the budget. We have a tight budget, and obviously a lot of work that needs to be done, right? So, but we are very confident that Sosna can help us with that, and it will be a smooth process.